Okay, so 2014 Hiace, all keys lost, just making one key for this job. So we've got a flip key remote, which is a VW one. So let's, first of all, it's locked at the moment, let's unlock it. Door is unlocked, door is locked, door is unlocked, and let's try it. This is the H key, and there we have it. Ugh. Car's on, and the only thing we need to do is try it in the door lock here. I have to recut this one. Maybe it's the door lock. Oh no, there it is. Yeah. Feels like it's not going in all the way. Yeah, but it is. Okay, last test. The mobiliser light, where is that on this one? Let's just have a quick look. There should be a little dot somewhere, which I can't see, don't know. Doesn't matter. That's it, thanks for watching.